So today I wanted to pop in and share with you all a brand called JUST4KIRA. They are a brand that offers an array of different awesome contact lenses, and I was like, I just have to share these beautiful shades with my Glam fam that give you such a beautiful look to your eyes. This brand is absolutely amazing. First and foremost, I'm going to start by sharing with you guys what comes in the box. So first, you're going to get a card thanking you for your purchase with JUST4KIRA. You also have instructions on the back on how to apply your contacts and also how to remove them. In the box, you will also get contact cases, and what I absolutely love about these contact cases is that they are see-through, so when you have an array of different contact lenses that are open, you will be able to see which shade they are through the contact case, and I thought that that was absolutely amazing. You also get a pair of tweezers in here and also a little applicator as to where you can apply your contact in your eye a lot easier without having to use your fingers for it. Now let's get on to the colors that I chose. So the first shade that I chose is this gray right here, and for anyone who has watched me on my channel, I love gray contact lenses, and these have become some of my favorite ones. As you all can see on the packaging, these will be lasting for a while. In fact, the expiration date on here is 2026 on all of the lenses that I got. I also got brown as well, and this shade is called Crystal Brown. Now these do not have a prescription in them, but you can get them with a prescription if you'd like to. Another shade that I got is Hazel, and I said I had to pick up Hazel. I have never tried Hazel lenses before. And I also got the shade SL29 Green. And I also picked up Norco Brown as well because I was like, I'd like to try some brown lenses even though my eyes are already brown. So you want to make sure that you soak your lenses overnight for 8 to 12 hours. So as you guys can see here, I'm just taking my contact lenses out of their packaging, and I'm going to take my tweezers in order to apply these lenses into my case. Moving right along, I'm putting in some contact solution, and you can get contact solution pretty much anywhere. You can get it at your local pharmacy, store, grocery stores have it as well, and you can even purchase it online. And after you have your contact lenses in, all that you do is close the case and let them sit overnight before using them. Now, let's talk about how to apply the contact lenses. First and foremost, before you go to messing with your eyes or with your lenses, you want to make sure that your hands are clean. So make sure that you wash them off really good, and then we can start the process of applying our contacts. For me, I love to apply my contacts with my hands. So I'm going to share with you all the contacts that I'm putting in. And first and foremost, of course, I'm going to start with gray because this is my favorite color of the bunch. So I'm just popping this contact lens into my eye, and once I get it popped in, I love to blink in order for it to go as to where it needs to go. And once it's there, honey, it's there. And as you all can see, my bare eye up against my eye that does have the contact lens in, and you all can see that it is a drastic difference, and this contact lens did an amazing job with covering up my brown eyes, okay, because my eyes are on the deeper side in terms of shade, and these contact lenses really came through. Now I want to reiterate this: make sure that you use my code Mattie for 20% off of your JUST4KIRA purchase. I promise that you will not regret it because they offer an amazing selection of lenses, and they are of such great quality. Check them out down below in the description box. All the shades that I'm sharing with you guys in today's video will be listed in order. Y'all know that I got y'all covered. And now let me go ahead and share with you all the rest of the lenses that I picked up. Now this is the shade Neela Green, and I absolutely love this shade because it makes your pupils look bigger, so it gives like this doll-like effect to the eyes, which I think is so amazing. And what I absolutely love about all of these contact lenses is that they are extremely comfortable and were super easy to apply. Now this shade here is called Norco Brown, and as you all can see the comparison between my natural eye color and the contact lens. Now this contact lens color here is super natural, as well as for the other ones that I'm sharing in today's video. And this shade here is called Hazel, and y'all, if I didn't know that these were not my natural eyes, I would think that these were, because you guys, they just blend in so seamlessly and they look so natural. I absolutely love this shade right here. Now let me reiterate, if you are interested in any of the contact lenses that I shared with you in today's video, and or any other shades that may be listed on the JUST4KIRA website, make sure that you check out the links down below and use my code MATTIE for 20% off of your purchase. These contact lenses are extremely comfortable and you're going to absolutely love them if you are to join the bandwagon of wearing JUST4KIRA contact lenses. I want to thank JUST4KIRA so much for sponsoring this video, and I hope that you guys check out these contacts down below.